Hello, all you need is 4 crayons, and I miss you very, very much.
Go ahead, tell us the colors.
Are you doing this to you again?
Yes, go ahead.
And I have a brown one.
Okay.
That's one. And 2 crayons. That's
What color is that?
yellow. And this is blue.
Blue.
Green.
Now, why would we use those colors for the earth?
Because a lot of blue.
Right, more than 70% of the earth is covered in water, so that's why it's often called the blue planet. Okay, we're gonna start getting ready to shave some of those crayons.
Hello.
Excellent. So right now you are just using your plastic knife and you're making sure you making sure that you scrape downward on your, what is that you're holding there? What's that called?
A knife. I'm using a knife to.
What? Make sure you're going downward on the what? What's this thing called?
Right. So
Crayon.
if you want to do this, you have to cut it, and I use my fingers to this student we are doing on here, and I got a little.
And sometimes a few shoot away like that, so that's why we're using the pizza box, but it's okay. I mean, the pizza box is nice because you can catch it on the borders there, but you're doing a great job. We're going to try to get all those crayon shavings, and then we'll go to the next part.
So prepare yourself to be left with some little nublets of crayons, and you could definitely use a potato peeler as was suggested to me, but I just am more of a plastic knife and then go recycle the knife kind of person. And then it gets a little exhausting, so you really probably might end up doing just a small earth model, but okay. So the next thing we're going to do is pull out a big piece of wax paper, and then we're going to draw pretty much a circle on it that looks to represent the earth, even though it's more of an ellipsis. And then we can leave a little, drawing cutout section in our model for the water and the landforms of the continent. Here's our little earth drawing. Pizza stains of oil underneath. Don't get confused. So anyway, what are some of the continents that we could draw landforms of? What are they? Asia.
Africa, Northern South America, Antarctica.
And what else? Europe. Finally Australia, right? Okay, so that we learned that from a song. So, okay, so what would we use for the land? What kind of colors? Are we going to use blue for the land? No, it was a trick question. We're not using blue for the land. We could use brown, we could use green, we could use yellow, we could use a mix.
I'm gonna use this.
Alright, so don't use too much. We're going to be careful because we're going to need all of it. Alright, so then we quickly saw that this model is way too big for the little amount of crayon shavings that we have. So we scaled down our model. And let me get that big old chunk out of there. And then we're just, we're taking that out. And then we're going to add the blue on there. So we just got our little earth how we liked it, and we used the knife again to just kind of clean up the sides and make it look really roundish, although a real earth model would have a slight bulge in the middle. And then we're going to fold this other piece of wax paper over it so that we can then iron it. And look at that. Tried to use a lot of blue because Earth is 70%, actually more than that.
Yep.
More than 70% water. And that's a lot of water. That's why it gets called the blue planet. But because of all that water, life can exist over here. If we were any closer to the sun, all that water would evaporate like it does on the other planets. If we were any further away, it would all be ice.
So we are in what they call the Goldilocks zone. You know how Goldilocks needed everything to be just right. So yeah, we're 150 million kilometers away. We're 93 million miles away from the sun, and we have our own moon too. And this is Earth. At least, by the way, I kept a little bit of the wax paper behind it because